Governor Gretchen Whitmer promising to veto an anti-abortion bill that is passed by the state legislature. It bans a procedure commonly done in the second trimester. The legislation would make it illegal to perform dilation and evacuation abortions known as D&E procedures, except when necessary to save a mother's life. Doctors who perform these, they would be committing a felony and would face up to 2 years in prison. Now, the legislation could hit Governor Gretchen Whitmer's desk as soon as next week, and we do have her response to the issue. The governor releasing a statement Tuesday saying in part, the legislature knows that I will not sign any laws that deprive women of bodily autonomy. So right now, they are just wasting time and taxpayers' dime. The anti-abortion group Right to Life working on a way to push it through without the governor's signature. It's called a citizens initiative petition. Essentially what that means is a voter initiation plans that a legislature can pass a bill. Abortion opponents using it 4 times in the past with lawmakers' support to sidestep the governor and to put anti-abortion laws into effect here in Michigan.